Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Zilliqa coin. Zilliqa is still moving at a very long-term support of this descending triangle, and it is quite oversold. And when the price line is getting oversold, and if you have any strong support, like in this situation, we have the support of this descending triangle, then there are very strong chances for the price reversal. Right now, the price line is at the support, and in today's video, we will analyze are we going to have a reversal from here or we are going to break it down. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move back to this chart, and here we can see that the price line is moving in this triangle since after January 2021. First, we tested the support here, then we had several ejections, then we had several touch points at the support. Right now, we are not only having this support, the descending triangle, we are also having the support of this 200. This red line is the 200 weekly simple moving average. That is very, very strong support, especially on this long-term weekly time frame. And we are also having the support of this lower bands of the Bollinger Bands as well. Now you can see that the upper bands of Bollinger Bands is above the triangle. It is showing that in case we will have a breakout from this triangle, then the price line can easily move up to this upper bands that is approximately at 12.9 cents or 13 cents. Now here, if we again take a look at the stochastic oscillator, then we can see that the stochastic is again extremely oversold. First, it was entered the oversold zone here, and the price line was at the support. It moved up, price line followed the oscillator, and the price line is again dropped at the support, and the stochastic is again also re-entered in the oversold zone. And we can have a double bottom formation at the support of the triangle before this breakout. Now, for example, if the price line will not break out this triangle, then the resistance of the triangle will be approximately at 9.5 cents. And you can see that previously when the stochastic was oversold, it was moving sideways. We had a nice rally, and here the price line dropped at the support. The stochastic was oversold. We had a very nice rally, and this time again, stochastic is oversold, and we are at the support of this triangle. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.